In this video, I will guide you how to conquer the UK with the Innovator Founder Visa. The Innovator Founder Visa is the ideal way to get your business off the ground and capitalize on the many venture capital firms and grow your business. For venture capital funds, there is a directory on startups.co.uk. So if you go on this, I'll put this link in the description as well. You go down, you will see the list of all the companies which can help you in starting up and expanding your business. These are all venture capital firms. So for example, if we pick Local Globe, a trusted venture that has supported early stage startups since 1999. Currently, investment they have 242, exist 49, industries various. So this way you have whole list of all the venture capital firms. So I'll put the link in the description and this will help you. Now, what exactly the Innovator Founder Visa is? The Innovator Founder Visa is for entrepreneurs who live overseas but want to start an innovative business in the UK. Successful applicants can reside in the UK for up to 3 years with the opportunity to extend for another 3 years. In order to be accepted for the visa, your business idea must be entirely new. You will not be eligible for the program if you are joining a company that is already trading. According to government guidelines, to be eligible for this visa, your business must be innovative, viable, and scalable. Innovative means an original business idea that stands out in the market. Viable means your business has strong potential for growth. Scalable means you must provide a detailed business plan that shows how your new venture will be created and expand into national and international market. What makes a business innovative is somewhat subjective, but the government website defines it only as something that is not being done by anyone else. That might means you are using new technology or just applying it in a different way. For example, the UK has become the focal point for the developing artificial intelligence sector, with many AI startups raising funding in the UK in the last year. Given the government opportunities regarding this AI, overseas founders may have a good chance of obtaining the Innovator Founder Visa if they can prove that their product or services will utilize AI. Now let's discuss what are the fees and how long does it takes. In terms of fees, the Innovator Founder Visa costs £1,191 per person if you apply from outside the UK, and £1,486 if you apply to extend or switch your current visa. You can also apply for priority service for paying £500 additional. Now let's understand what you need to apply for the Innovator Founder Visa. Before applying for Innovation Founder Visa, there are several important steps you'll need to complete to demonstrate that your business is viable, well planned, and that you are personally prepared to launch and sustain it in the UK. Number 1 is the endorsement. Number 2, a detailed business plan. Number 3, English language requirement. Number 4, sufficient funds. Now let's discuss them one by one. Number 1, endorsement. Before applying for the visa, applicant must have their business proposal assessed by an approved endorsing body. The endorsing body will require evidence that sufficient funding is in place to support the venture. Along with the details of the source of funds, they decide you are eligible. You will receive an endorsement letter to support your application. Watch this video. I've showed how I have filled the endorsement application on this website. This is one of the endorsing bodies. Number 2, a detailed business plan. Every company needs a business plan. This is a document that should clearly state your intentions and ambitions. It should include detail of your business idea and the USP. Information on your product, services, including your pricing strategy and understanding of your target market and competitors. A cash flow forecast with detail of your incoming and outgoing expenses. An explanation of your day-to-day activities, how your business will operate, how you will sell to your customers, and who your suppliers will be. While statistics and evidence are important to endorsing body, don't forget to show your passion of your business through your mission statement and core values. Number 3, English language requirements. You will also need to provide evidence of your English language knowledge, proving that you can read, write, speak, and understand English to a qualified level. Number 4, sufficient funds. Endorsing bodies will need to know that you have enough money to fund your business, and where it's from, you will need to have at least £1,270 in your personal or business bank account for 28 days consecutive before you either apply, extend, or switch to the Innovation Founder Visa. You cannot use money generated from investment funds to support yourself. Now let's understand how to apply for the Innovation Founder Visa. Once you have been approved by the endorsement body, you will need to complete the online application form on gov.uk website. The only genuine website is gov.uk. You can either use the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your documents or have your fingerprints, biometric and photo taken at the Visa Application Center. Here is a list of documents you'll need to complete the process. Valid passport or other documents that prove your identity and nationality. Bank statement to prove you have enough funds in your personal account. Prove that you meet the English language requirements. TB certificate if applicable. If your supporting documents aren't in English, you'll need to provide certified translation copy as well. Next important question is, can I bring my family with me? If you have a partner or a child, your family can also apply for the Innovator Founder Visa as your dependents, as long as they can afford to look after themselves when they join. Your partner will also be able to work when they arrive. In addition to £1,270, you must have to support yourself. You'll need to have £285 for your partner, £315 for one child, £200 for each additional child. Now let's understand one of the most important part of this application, how to prepare for the endorsement interview. You should treat the endorsement interview and application like a business pitch, and much it like how you pitch to investors. Preparation is key to ensure you get the best possible result. For that, you must understand the criteria first. Remember, your business needs to be innovative, viable, and scalable to be eligible for the Innovator Founder Visa. For this, you will need to explain how your idea is original and can meet a new or existing market need, can be realistic, be delivered, and there is a potential for job creation and growth into international markets. Next one is know your business plan. Given how important this document is, you should exactly know what your business plan is. Practice explanation in a clear and concise manner. The problem you are solving, your target market, your business model, and financial forecast. Additionally, make sure to research the endorsing body, such as the sector they focused on and what businesses it has supported before. Number 3 is preparing for common interview questions. For this, you should prepare your answers beforehand so that you are not caught off guard. Common interview questions are: what makes your business plan innovative? How is your situation different from existing ones? What is your competitive advantage? How do you see your business progressing over the next 3 years? What's your timeline for growth? Number 4 is bringing support documents. They are not explicitly required, but you may also want to bring some supporting material along to the interview in order to strengthen your case, such as financial projections, product prototype or demos, testimonials or letter of support.